Arrange the steps involved in finding the value of x upon y if 3x plus y upon 2x plus 5y equals to 4 upon 3. Sorry, 3x plus 4y upon 2x plus 5y equals to 4 upon 3. So here, you don't have to find the answer of this. You have to find the what steps will you follow. We have to arrange them in sequence. So first is given. What is given? 3x plus 4y upon 2x plus 5y equals upon 2x plus 5y equals to 4 upon 3. This is first. So C will be the first. Second, second what will you do? You will cross multiply this, right? So next step will be this. 3 on this side, 3x plus 4y equals to 4 into 2x plus 5y on this side. D. Then next solve this bracket. 3 3 is a 9, 3 4 is a 12, 8 4 2 is a 8 and 4 5 is a 20. So this bracket solved. So B is the third step. Then E is what? Take x, all x on one side, all y on other side. So x this side, so it becomes 9 minus 8, that is 1x, and 12 on this side, you get 20 minus 12 equals to 8y. So E is the next. Now last is what? X upon y. We have to find out x upon y. So y on this side, so x upon y equals to 8 upon nothing means 1. So x is to y equals to 8 is to 1. This is the required answer. C, D, B.